Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys already subscribed to my channel, I don't know what's wrong with you or your life. I'm just kidding, but make sure to subscribe to my channel down below. Hit the notification bell, like this video, give it a thumbs up, all that good stuff, comment, and let's get into the video. So I'm using tape because I wanted to do something a little bit different today, and I want to make sure that I didn't make any mistakes and all that good stuff. So to start off with our base, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Creamy Beige per usual. And then once we have our base on, then we'll set it with some translucent powder. Now, the palette that I'm using is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. I wanted to use the palettes that I have in here, and the first shade that I'll be going in to use for the crease. And the first shade I'll be using is called Eden for the crease, and the brush, the blending brush that I always use is my BH Cosmetics 101 blending crease brush. And then the next shade I'm using is Parallel, which is the brown shade in the palette, and I'm still using the same brush to also apply that on the crease a little bit lower, so that way you can still see the two shades combined together, give it that nice gradient effect. And then the next shade I'll be using is called Throne. It's that nice green shade, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply that all over the lid using the brush that came with the palette. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial, because I am, it's fall, at least where I am. It's not fully fall, but I love fall, and I just have so many ideas that I want to show you guys. So yeah, so I wanted to do something different, like I said. So I'm using the same concealer and putting some of it in the back of my hand, and I'm taking an angle brush and I'm going to create like a wing, because I wanted to use the lime green shade that was in the palette. I came up with this idea weeks ago, but it took me a while to actually like try this out. But yeah, so now I'm taking that lime green shade in the palette and place it on the lid, well, on the eyeliner, you guys know what I mean. However, that wasn't working out for me. I was expecting it to be a little bit more pigmented, so I went ahead and used my NYX liner. I don't know what shade this is, but I'll link it down below, because I didn't realize they were the same color. I kind of didn't enjoy this liner. I don't know if you guys could see up close, but the liner was kind of breaking, and I went ahead and used the lime green shade and placed it on there, and I don't know, it was just cracking and it was a mess. And of course I put on my mascara and my eyeliner off camera per usual. The primer that I'm using is, I'm mixing the Becca Cosmetics primer and my NYX primer together, and I lost my tan for the summer. It is fall, so I'm back to using my favorite foundation, the NARS Natural Radiant Foundation, which is the best. It gives such a natural finish. Because I felt like this look deserved to be full glam, so I decided to use 4 pumps of foundation. I normally use maybe 1 or 2, but yeah. whenever I'm planning on doing voiceovers, I always listen to music as I'm doing makeup. It's so calming for me. I don't know about you guys. Let me know if you guys listen to music when you're getting ready or putting on makeup and stuff like that, you know? So for concealer, I'm using the NARS, what is this? NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer to pretty much highlight contour. And then I'm also taking my Wet n Wild Mega Glow liquid highlighter, sorry, not lighter. And I wanted my highlighter to really pop. I didn't notice how popping this liquid highlighter is. You guys, it's really cheap. Don't sleep on Wet n Wild liquid highlighter. Like, it's actually really good when you add on highlighter on top of it. It is bomb. So I'm using my e.l.f. Cosmetics cream contour palette. I literally went all out on this look. I am so proud of myself. Although I'm still learning how to, you know, cream contour, chisel the cheeks, the big 5 head, you know, all that good stuff. And just blend, 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 blend. It is so late and I'm just trying to make sure this voiceover doesn't sound too crazy. And then I'm going to just set the cream with translucent powder, any bronzer. And the places I didn't apply, you know, the cream products. Oh no, I'm sorry. The bronzer I'm using is Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in the shade Mahogany. And then all the places where I didn't apply any cream, I'm just going to go ahead and set with my Maybelline Fit Me powder. For blush, I'm using my Milani Cosmetics blush in the shade Coral Cove. If I forget anything as usual, I'll just list it down below in the description box. Now to set all the powder, I use my MAC Fix Plus spray. And then for the lower lashes or the lower line, I can't talk tonight, but I just apply the same transition shade I use on my lower lashes and put on some mascara. For my inner tear duct, I'm using the shade Pyramid to kind of, I don't know, add a little touch to the look. And then I use my amrezy highlighter on my, what do you call this? On my nose, my eyebrows. And then I also use that same highlighter for my cheeks. And then on top of the amrezy highlighter, I decided to use Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife on top. And you guys, look at the glow. Don't sleep on Trophy Wife. I'm just saying. So I wanted to do a fall color. So the lips that I'm using is a NYX lip liner, which I will link down below because I don't remember the name or of the shade. And then I used the lipstick by MAC. It's called Media. And then of course, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. And I hope to see you guys in the next video.